story.
Vroom, vroom, tractor! Beep, beat up your feet, stop, stop, stop! Yo! Vroom, vroom, clap, clap, itchy! Let's go ride, just like that! The morning sun is big and bright, tractor wakes up, what a sight! Turn the key, click, 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 engine starts up, quick, quick, quick! Big wheels roll round and round, bumpy, jumpy on the ground. Slow, slow, nice and slow, vroom, 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 here we go! Vroom, vroom, tractor, beep, beep, beep. Wake up, farm, don't sleep, sleep, sleep. Dig the dirt, plant the seeds, grow the food that people need. Vroom, vroom, tractor, big and strong, working hard all day long. Up the hill and down the track. Vroom, vroom, tractor coming back. Moo says cow, cluck says hen, oink says pig in the pen. Quack says duck, baa says sheep. The tractor works, no time to sleep. Splash in mud, splish, splash, splat. Wave hello to the cat. Roll, 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 so roll slow. Vroom, 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 go, go, go. Learning bridge, very simple. How many wheels? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. What color is the tractor? Green. What helps plants grow? Sun for song. That's how farms grow food for you.